Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up auto buy on Robinhood. Open the Robinhood app, sign in, and tap the account icon to access settings. Navigate to the recurring investments or auto buy section and select the asset you want. Choose your frequency, enter the dollar amount, and confirm funding source. Double-check your schedule and tap confirm. I'll walk you through common options, tips, and how to edit or cancel recurring purchases. Start by finding the stock or ETF you want to invest in and tap buy. Choose recurring to enable auto buy and then pick your schedule, such as weekly or monthly. Enter the exact dollar amount you want to invest each time and select your funding source from linked accounts. Review the preview screen for fees and timing, then confirm. I'll also explain how to pause, edit, or cancel a recurring plan quickly and safely. Think of auto buy as a set it and forget it habit that enforces consistency. Start with modest amounts so you can maintain contributions during market dips without stress. Review your recurring investments quarterly or after life changes to realign with goals, and ensure you have an emergency buffer so automatic buys don't force unwanted sales. I'll share common mistakes to avoid and how to use notifications to stay in.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.